Hello, welcome back to Erica Style. Today I'll be sharing with you guys this home remedy for your natural hair. Okay, you get your conditioner. Okay, you can use any brand of conditioner, but make sure it's a sulfate free conditioner. Okay, you can see I'm using Cream of Nature brand. Okay, so and I will go in with this my DIY coconut oil for scalp treatment. Okay, I will leave a link to the video in the description box or in the comment section. And I will go in with my rosemary hair growth DIY spray. Okay, this rosemary hair growth DIY spray is amazing. Okay, and I will leave the link to the video too in the description or in the comments. Okay, and I will go ahead to mix this together. Okay, this you have a high product for your hair. Okay, you can see I'm adding a little more of the hair growth spray. Okay, because I don't want this conditioner to be so thick. I just want to get a creamy product here so that when I apply it on my hair, it will not be too thick and it will not be watery. Okay, so and we are going to use this to apply on our hair. Okay, and you may be asking, why do I need to add all this to my conditioner before using it to condition my hair, or before using it to do whatever you want to do with it? Okay, because I'm going to show you guys how I use this to steam hair. Okay, to steam natural hair, that is 4C natural hair. All right, so and you can see I'm mixing it right now, and I will mix it to make sure it gets to this creamy consistency. Okay, you can see I added coconut oil with some other stuffs inside it. Go and watch that video. Okay, and the coconut oil is quite very good for your scalp, for your hair. Okay, and you can see this is my daughter's hair. Amazing. I'm always super excited that I have time to take care of this hair. My mom did not take care of my hair like this. Okay. Well, I said, okay, when I was in secondary school, the school I went to, we normally cut our hair, all right? But today, people don't really cut their hair in the school. She's in secondary school. And I'm going to use this product to, to apply on her hair. Okay, and I will go in from the tips of the strands of the hair, and I will walk myself through to the scalp. Okay, coconut oil is an amazing oil when you want to talk about natural hair care routine. Okay, if you've not been using coconut oil on your hair, I don't know what other oil you are using. Okay, as my go oil for my natural hair is coconut oil and olive oil, because I don't want anything to complicate my life. I don't want anything to complicate my life, because people normally say that taking care of natural hair is quite difficult, it's time consuming, it's money consuming. Okay, just make use of what you have. The thing I always tell people is to make sure you have a good, a quality shampoo and conditioner. If you have these two stuffs, you are good to go. And make sure they are sulfate free. Okay, you can see, and I'm just massaging it to her hair. Okay, and walking through to every strand of her hair. All right, be generous with the application. Don't um don't make excess of this product either, because it doesn't have any preservative, and I don't like adding preservatives to the stuffs I use on their hair, or mine too. Okay, I just like the one I'm using, I'm going to finish it on their hair immediately. Okay, or if you don't finish it, just discard it. It is what it is. Okay, or just stuff all of them on your hair. All right, so you can see how I'm just using my hand to make sure it gets to every strand of her hair. And I added rosemary hair growth, oh my god, hair growth spray. Go and watch that video. You cannot be talking about rosemary, and you cannot be talking about your natural hair without talking about rosemary. Okay, rosemary is one ingredient you have to apply on your hair. Okay, because it helps to stimulate hair growth, it helps to treat dandruff. Okay, it helps to keep your hair generally healthy. All right, okay. So, and I'm just walking through to the next section, just showing you guys how I did it, because she has full thick hair. Her hair is quite full and thick. You can see this hair, if I blow dry it, is way longer than what you're seeing. And you know, I always say I love natural hair because of its bouncing. Once you drag it like this, it bounces back. Okay, so I went ahead to brush it, okay, to make sure that the hair product get to every strand of the hair. This is very, very important. Don't just pour it on your hair on the surface like that and off you go. No, make sure take your time to walk through your hair. If you have long hair, section it. If your hair is still short, if you can't section it, make sure you take your time, use your hand, use your brush, to get into the hair, all through. All right, you can see how I'm just trying to make sure I secure it so that the hair doesn't fall out. Okay, so and you cannot talk about all these things without a massage. If you just use your rosemary hair growths on your hair without massage, I don't know what you're doing. Or you use your conditioner on your hair without massaging it, I don't know what you're doing. Okay, all these stuffs they work hand in hand. All these products they work hand in hand. You apply the product, then you massage. Take your time. This is the beautiful section of this whole process. Massaging the scalp, massaging the hair is so relaxing, and it helps in blood circulation. And when the blood is circulating properly, definitely your hair is going to grow. That dandruff is going to leave your hair. That hair fall is going to drastically reduce. Okay, and make sure you drink a lot of water. Drink water, drink water. Take care of your hair. Spend time on your hair. Okay, and you guys know I said I'm going to be steaming this hair. I'm using professional steaming machine. Okay, that is it. The salon professional steamer. That is it. You can see the where the vapor is going off. All right, you can see where the vapor is going off, and it's going to help to get the product inside the hair. Is going to help the product to penetrate. Is going to enhance hair growth. Is going to do a whole lot of stops on your hair. If you've not been steaming your hair, I would advise you to start doing so. Okay, all right, so steam your hair is very, very good and is very important. Okay, and if you have high porosity, okay, you are not going to be steaming your hair often. And if you have low porosity, which means you are going to steam your hair once a month. Okay, our advice once a month. I don't know how often you wash your hair, but myself, I wash my hair like every other week, or at most, if I don't wash my hair once in 2 weeks myself. Okay, and I steam my hair once a month or once in 2 months, depending on my schedule. Okay, and when I'm done steaming it, you can see the hair, it has the products penetrated well. I'm going to go ahead to rinse it and apply my leave-in conditioner and my hair moisturizer. Off we go. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next